Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use voice changer on Roblox. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, open new tab and search Clownfish voice changer. After that, just click on the website called Clownfish for Skype. This will take you directly to the official website, which is clownfishtranslator.com/voice changer. After that, just go to the top over here. As you can see, there is an option called download. Just go ahead and give it a click. From here you need to download the latest version. At the moment is version 1.81. It may be different for you depending on when you're watching this video. What you want to do is go ahead and download this onto your PC. Once that downloaded, come back to your desktop, click the search bar and type download, and then you should go ahead and open up your downloads folder. You should now see the setup for the Clownfish voice changer. Double click to run this setup, then simply go ahead and install this onto your PC. So to go ahead and use voice changer, the first thing you need to do is set this up. So once you've opened it, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner, click onto the arrow to show hidden icons. You're going to see the Clownfish logo down here, right click on it, then go to setup and go to system integration. Now from here we want to make sure that the right microphone is being used. So for myself I'm using AMD audio device. You can see it currently set because it says remove. If it's something else you want to use, you can just remove that one and click install onto the mic you want to use. Once you've done that, you can close this down and go ahead and open Roblox on your PC. Once you've logged in, you just want to go ahead and open any experience that you want to play and use the voice changer on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump onto Blocks Fruits. So I'm just going to start up the experience. So I'm just going to wait for that to load through. And here we are in Blocks Fruits. So the first thing you want to do once you're in the game is you want to come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the Roblox icon, click on settings. From here you want to come down to the input device. So you want to make sure of course that you've got a voice chat enabled, and make sure you're using the same mic you chose on Clownfish. So once that's done, just come down to your taskbar in the bottom right hand corner, click onto the arrow and right click on Clownfish voice changer. After that, click onto set voice changer. Now this is gonna bring up the interface. What you can do from here is choose any of the available voices. After finishing, you can just click on clear effects to turn off. So that's it. That is how to use voice changer or Roblox. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.